Okay. Just copy the first question and you have to put comma for both Indian and international system. If you can't see, I'm repeating the question. That is 235. Your mic is off. Yes.
Sir, question is not seen properly.
Okay. No issues. I am repeating the question. Okay. Or and as well, I am also sharing the screen. Here. I guess it will be visible to you now.
The first one,
Yes, only the first one. That is 235 76653.
2, 3,
766.
766.
53. So you have to put the commas exactly where it is needed as per international and Indian system. Okay, both you have to do. Done.
Done.
Okay, just turn on the back camera so that I can see the answer that you have written. Which one is the Indian? Which one is the international? Just tell me.
This one is Indian and
Okay.
this one is international.
Okay. Bring zoom out the phone. Zoom out the phone so that I can see it clearly. Okay. Just a minute. Very good. Okay. Turn on the camera to yourself. Turn on the camera to yourself. Very good. So here I can see from the past sessions as well as here also that I have observed you had a very good idea regarding the Indian international system, which is very good. Okay, appreciable. And now there are more such things which are related to the Indian international system. Okay, by the way, do you know about predecessor successor? What are
Yes, that's very, very easy.
okay, that too just a childhood thing.